The Alliée web portal is intended only for franchise and master franchise who can easily and quickly manage their work and oversee their teams with just one click. The portal is a platform where you can manage everything from orders to dispatch, in which you can check for available products, quotations, pro forma invoices, easy payment options, track all orders and sales data, stock management, RMA requests, your users, and their roles. Welcome to Alliée portal. First, you can see the dashboard. The Alliée dashboard is a summary of your total sales, generated inquiries. In that, you can see your last month's inquiry. You can check what's going on in process and your complete projects. Then we go to the product. You can see all our products, smart touch switches and lights. When we go through, you can see MRP with GST. When will we go to the inquiry? You can see your running inquiry, complete inquiry, and create inquiry. In running inquiry, you can view inquiry date, inquiry ID, client name, client location, inquiry by, inquiry owner, status and action. When you click on action, you can see all your status step by step, and you can make payments as well. Now, completed inquiry, in that you can see all your completed inquiry with inquiry date, inquiry ID, client name, client location, inquiry by, inquiry owner, status and action. Then come to create inquiry, in that you have to create your new inquiry. Now, come to the orders. In the order list, you can view order date, inquiry ID, inquiry from, order by, location, quantity, status and view. Click on it to see your order status. Then, you can view the RMA request for your replacement list, and after that, you can go to create an RMA request for any replacement. You can fill up and add to the RMA cart and then place the RMA request. In the sales section, you can see your list of sold items by sales date, client name, partner location, and quantity. In the users section, you can check all your authorized users, marketing person, technician, affiliate, locations, business ID, and statuses. Additionally, you can add new users, edit users, and view pending requests of new users. Thank you for watching this video.